All right, nice round of applause for Mr. Josh, the one and only Mr. Josh. All right, look at that. People are actually they're actually unmuting their mics to clap for you. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open the poll. So I'll give you guys a minute to work on this. There you go. Close it in about 40 to 50 seconds. Anyone want to talk while the poll is going on? Oh, we'll let everyone do the poll first. The polls are coming in, Josh. You might become president. We'll see what happens. We got 9 of 12, so I should say 11 of 12. We're missing 2 more people. 1 more person. Christopher, go ahead.
I think the biggest thing that I noticed was just like pedaling. Just pedaling on a lot of those runs. They felt like, especially in the intro, it got really, really muddy. So just making sure to just kind of clean that up. And then I think just kind of expanding some of the dynamics. I think you could definitely, the louds are really nice, but I think you could definitely push for a slightly softer dynamic in some of the piano parts.
Great. Yeah, and I'm just looking at the feedback from the anonymous poll here. In general, it seems to be that I mean, you got people rating you throughout the dynamic range 2, 3, 4, 5, but the general votes, the 8 of the votes came in around 3 and 4, so that's about a 3.5. And articulation was around 3.5. So it seems like that pairing of articulation and dynamics seems to be okay to good, somewhere in there for most people. All right, other hands, Naman.
Um, I liked your dynamics, but I felt heard that some forties were not expressed, and but I thought body movement could improve.
Great, Naman. Thank you so much for framing it that way. Yeah, if we would take a look at the body movement here, guys. What you guys came up with was about a 6 of your 11 votes went to okay. Some people went less. So this is pretty much what happens. When you have anything more than 3 or 4 people, the ratings that come through are pretty much how I would say. That's pretty much what I think as well. I think it was okay. Um, it wasn't particularly great. I wouldn't say it needs work. I just say, yeah, I would say just it was okay. I agree with that. Julia?
I agree with Numan, and I think there could be more dynamic contrast. Like, not only dynamics, but like the contrast between loud and soft.
Yeah. Josh, does this sound familiar? Similar to what we talked about the other day? Okay, so all the stuff that we talked about is coming up right now. That's good. Any other direct feedback, qualitative feedback for Josh? Allison? Nice background, by the way.
Um, you had, I think you had an okay body movement. You should make your pedal a little wider, and when you mess up, don't go back and play again. Just keep on playing the next part.
Great. Thank you for that very specific feedback. Any other feedback? Anyone? You can just raise your virtual hand or your actual hand so I can see you. No? All right, we are going to move forward. So that was Josh.